you want naturally glowing, soft, and youthful skin, forget expensive skincare products. Today, I'm sharing a powerful homemade infused oil that will brighten, nourish, and rejuvenate your skin. Stay till the end to learn how to make and use this amazing oil for the best results. Before we start, I would like you to please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like, share, press icon for more videos. This DIY herbal infused oil is packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and natural hydration that work wonders for your skin. Here's how each ingredient benefits your skin. Capsicum, Shimla mirch, rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, it brightens skin, reduces pigmentation, and boosts collagen. Cloves, powerful antibacterial and antifungal properties help clear acne and dark spots while boosting skin elasticity. Marigold petals, soothes irritated skin, reduces redness, and deeply hydrates for a fresh and youthful look. Rosemary is a powerful herb known for its antioxidant, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory properties. It can help improve skin health in multiple ways. Almond oil, loaded with vitamin E, it nourishes, repairs, and softens the skin while reducing fine lines. Olive oil, a natural moisturizer that protects the skin from dryness, sun damage, and aging signs. Ingredients: half capsicum, Shimla mirch chopped, 2-inch piece ginger, grated, 15 cloves, rosemary, three marigold petals, milliliters almond oil, 100 milliliters olive oil. Preparation: pour 100 milliliters almond oil and 100 milliliters olive oil into the jar. Close the jar tightly and store it in a warm place, but away from direct sunlight, for 15 days. Shake the jar gently every day to help the infusion process. After 15 days, strain the oil and store it in a clean bottle. Your herbal infused oil for glowing skin is ready.
Diba?